So we're going to be doing May-June 2024, paper 4. So let's start with the first question. It says a cyclist and a bicycle have a total mass of 72 kg. The cyclist rides along a horizontal road against a total resistance force of 28 newtons. Find the total work done by the cyclist to increase his speed from 8 meters per second to 16 meters per second while traveling a distance of 100 meters. So for this we will use the formula of work done, which is that total work done is equals to the change in kinetic energy plus the change in potential energy plus the work done against friction. Now we know the formula for the change in kinetic energy is measured by half times the mass multiplied by the final velocity squared minus the initial velocity squared. And since there is no change in height mentioned in this question, we will assume that the change in potential energy is 0. And the formula for finding the work done against friction is multiplying the force of friction, which is mentioned in the question as 28 newtons, and multiplied by the distance traveled, which in this case is 100 meters. So when we fill in the values in this equation, this means that the total work done is equals to half times 72, which is the mass, and we know the final velocity is 16 and the initial velocity is 8. So this will become 16 squared minus 8 squared plus 28 times 100. Now I'm going to put this in the calculator. So this will be half times 72, 16 squared minus 8 squared plus 28 times 100. So the answer is 9712 joules. So we're going to write the final statement. Hence the total work done by the cyclist is 9712 joules. This is the end of question number 1.